Okay, so um, before we proceed to the angles, let's understand first the different lines, the basic, the fundamentals, okay, of geometry. I'm gonna show you. So first, we will start with a point. Let me get it bigger. Okay. First, we will start with point, okay? Point. This is where everything begins. A point from here and another point here, and we connect it with a line, it's called a line, right? A line. But when a line, this one is a line, it's a straight line, okay? But when a line has 2 points at the end, how do you call that? It means that this line stops here and it stops here. So we call this a segment. A line segment, okay? When the line stops from left and the line stops from right, or say line segment, you stop. There's limitation. Now, in this one, a line and then a dot, but you put an arrow here. How do you call that? This is array. Okay, array. Array means you stop here, but this will go on. It could go up to here, whatever, extended. Okay, that's array. The other one stops while the other end continues. Okay, sorry. And then when two rays connect, there you go. It's a ray and another ray, right? When two rays connect, what do we form? We form an angle. See? It all starts with a dot. Lines could have measurement. Rays could have measurement. Angle could have measurement. Okay. In this picture, say for oh sorry, can make a straight line here. I think I'm gonna use I'm using the graphic pen and I cannot control it right now, so I'll be using this one. The lines, okay. I say I have this one. It's a just a line, okay. This is just a line, and then I make another line. I make another line beside it. So how do you call these lines? They are parallel lines. When two lines stands along each other, we call these parallel lines. And then there's another line here. Let's rotate and put it here. What do we get? I think that we will have a gap, so I'll just put it here. These lines now, when it's like this, okay, it is perpendicular line. This one is a perpendicular line, okay? When it makes a right angle, it is perpendicular line, okay? When a line, remember, the two lines here, this line and this line are parallel. Parallel. And this line, when they form a right angle, is called perpendicular line. So we get two perpendicular lines. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. So that's a perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines could be like this too. Let me put a color, okay? So it could extend here. How many perpendicular lines have we formed in this one? I guess we got, how many do you think? All right, 1, okay, and then 2, right, 3, 4, wow. And then this one in here, so we got 5, and then this one in here, so we got 6, then this one in here, 7, and then this one in here, we got 8 perpendicular lines. You see that? And then there's another line we called, here, this one. We called intersecting. Intersecting. It intersects. There are 2 intersecting lines, or 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 intersecting lines here. Let's name the lines, okay? Let's name these lines, okay? Let's say this line, this is point A. This one is point B. And then this line is point C. We name the points, the end point, okay? For us to identify the line segment, the x-rays. I'll tell you later how we will use this endpoint. So D, and then this one is point E. This one is point F. See, we got so many points here. FG, point H, I hope you can still see it. Point H, point I, point J. Okay, point K, point L, and point M. Do we forget any more connections? No more. So lines A, B. That's how we write it, because line, remember, line has no point at the end. Okay, so we just say lines, or since it has dot, it has dot. Now we say line segment. Okay, line segment, then let's draw here. Line segment AB is parallel to line segment, what? OT. Okay, and then we say line segment AH is perpendicular to line segment, what? HG. So it's perpendicular. Okay, and we say that line segment LM is intersecting with line segment, what? It could be A, B, or C, D. Line segment LM is intersecting with line segment C, D. That's how you write it. Or line segment LM is intersecting with line, what's the gray one, the green one? G, J. I hope you get it. Okay, I hope you get it.